Yeah, I know.
I didn't know you were coming here.
I didn't either, but I am getting tuned on E85 tomorrow, and I have half a tank of gas that I need to burn up.
It's very doable. Okay.
So I just came here to wake you up.
I was talking to my boss. I was waiting for his phone call. That's why I didn't go anywhere.
I was waiting for your phone call. I didn't go anywhere.
Okay, well. So now what?
I don't know, we can make TikToks.
Just be casually eating right here.
Are you excited for Earth Day today?
It's Earth Day today?
Imagine it being Earth Day and your cars still use regular gas.
This is like the cleanest Earth Day we've ever had.
Imagine not using E85 on Earth Day.
Okay, you're making it seem like my car is this disgusting gas-guzzling piece of shit dirtying the world.
Imagine.
Look how cute it is.
Imagine. Save the Earth, use E85. If I had $1 for every time I got a comment asking where this one-way road is, I would be pretty rich by now. But we're here today with the Evo. We're gonna film a little POV ASMR, something I've been wanting to do for a really long time, with a proper mic setup, one in the engine bay, one over the exhaust, one in the interior. So hopefully we get some mint audio, ASMR quality. I love when you get back home and start reviewing your footage and the audio recorder on the exhaust recorded but picked up no data or no sound. So I have basically an 8-minute, whatever. Alright, I basically have an 8-minute exhaust clip with no actual data, so there's no sound to the clip. I don't know what happened, and that kind of ruins the whole point of this POV video. Awesome. You ready? I'm nervous. All bad things start. god! Oh my god!
Just for my heart rate, that's like the most calories I've burned off. Just from,
Wow!
gosh.
That was insane! Wow!
Dude, my foot was jammed so far up here.
Woo! Jesus Christ, bro! That was good. That looked like some good old fun, eh?
I don't want to do that again.
In the toge?
That's enough of that.
Wow. Oh my god, bruh. Bruv. I'm stopping here. I don't like stopping over there.
Your car sound is so good. Just popping.
Fuck, find me a rock so I can stop here and I'll be on my brakes. You can smell my pads right now.
Yeah, dude, it smells like fireworks.
Alright, we just need to cool them off then.
So how's the gas do?
No fuel light yet. Yeah, that was wild. I was completely comfortable the entire time too.
Yeah, same, bro. It's pretty fine until it came out to those straightaways where you're in third gear.
I wanted to look at my speedometer, but I didn't have the chance.
Like, you're gonna stop in second, no third. Okay. Alright.
Oh, we're in gear. There we go though. It worked. It worked. I gotta make sure the audio is good, otherwise we gotta do that again.
No, no.
Those pops might have been too loud for the mic. I'm just kidding.
Oh, man.
Oh god, Christian, stop! Christian, help! That camera is still recording.
Okay, now it just looks like we just crashed. Probably back this up. Probably shouldn't have it on all the brush.
I also don't want the parking brake up.
Yeah, back it up so I don't know if it's gonna set on fire. There's a chance of that, but
No, it's not. It's not that hot. Oh shit, it actually does look
well,
like.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Back it up.
Any major damage? Alright, there's a rock there now.
Put it in gear.
Oh, I mean, I can, yeah, but I put a rock. Why did it just start rolling out of nowhere?
Show us what you got.
Oh god. I have to go into sport mode. It doesn't like it. Oh my god, it's returning to home. No.
I see a shadow.
Come back, bitch. You little freak. I'm in sport mode so all the sensors are off.
This guy's like, what the fuck are you doing?
What are you doing, bro? Chill. It like wanted to land on its own. Imagine getting out of the car to get your drone.
Dude, imagine just letting go of that thing while it's still spinning.
Couldn't be me. On a scale of 1 to 10,
That's enough of that.
how good was that?
It was cool. It was the whole time just grabbing. What was I grabbing? Oh, like the side of the seat, a door handle, and my feet were just shoved so far up the dash. At one point, my head literally snapped back.
I should have had you wear a GoPro too. We have had this car for a little over a year now. Still not tired of it at all. Best car, hands down, I've ever owned.
I honestly didn't think your car would make those sharp turns. Like, this car can barely do a U-turn. Those are like the sharpest turns this car's ever done.
Well, yeah, it just caught the... One day, my mud flaps are just gonna rip off the whole car. Like, the TEs grab them so hard when I'm going near full lock. But yeah, that's a lot of brake dust. Jesus. This is bad. Will driving the Evo. Coming soon, Will sells his Jeep Wrangler and gets an Evo.
Within the last 10 seconds, I've already done bad things in this car. I didn't just ship this. Oh my god. What is this paper?
Come on, show us the big reveal. Oh, baby. Your Miata's gonna be a little less clapped out now. Is that new REM or just used?
Used.
Oh. He's finally replacing his little wobbly steering wheel trim.
Look,
It's been a long time coming for this.
I don't think mine has that thing. Ew, it's got hair on it.
Should probably disinfect. No, it's been sitting in the box for a long time. COVID would have died already.
That's good enough. Yeah, on mine, like, this thing cracked like 2 weeks ago. I don't know how, it just did.
Yeah,
So-
old 90s plastic for you.
I'm like not gonna be. I don't know when I'll put this on because what else did I buy? I bought the cup holders and window switches, and I also bought. Oh, I bought a shift boot. Finally, that's like the first thing someone does, and I don't know why I haven't done it before.